This is pretty much the home screen of the anime application. This one is a very good one, similar to the one that I've reviewed before. This is a very good anime application here. So it does consist of a lot of anime series, a bunch of them which can pretty much watch. You can see you can go ahead and scroll and look for what you want. And here is not much. You have the anime section. If you do tap on this section, you can see all the popular ones that they offer. New added sections. You have the popular ones. As you can see, you can just tap on the more option here to see all the popular ones. You have a lot of great anime which you can watch on this application here, and it does give you a good quality which you should keep in mind as well. So you just scroll and pretty much look for what you want, or you pretty much can go ahead at the search icon or tap on this on the top here to pretty much look for what you want. So for example, one of these anime, you just tap on the anime that you want to watch. You have the new option, you have the One Piece, new series, whatever the case that is. But tap on the anime that you want to watch. Let's say for example this one here. Down here it will tell you the episode it has for this. Down here will tell you also the series that it's on. So as you can see here, do make sure you check the episodes option because it will carry to the latest or the last release series. So do make sure you check. So you'd have to pretty much go back to the first series. As you can see, it's on 3. And if I do tap on play option, it will start playing. So pretty much that go back and go to the first episode if you haven't watched the others before. And as well, you can go back to other episodes. You have episodes 1 here, and this is pretty much the example I'm showing you guys. So all I have to do is swipe back and pretty much tap on the episode here, and you're good to go. So you do have the option to, when you start watching the anime, which I'm going to show you real quick. If you can do the anime, once I start watching it, I'll be able to pretty much put it in English by tapping on dub, this option here, and you're pretty much good to go. If you do want to let it speak it in Spanish or whatever language the anime comes in, then you can let it stay in sub. Only the English part will be the down here basically. So that's pretty much it for that. You can pretty much see other related anime as well, and as well comments from other people, as you can see here. So very good application. You do want to watch the latest anime series, and you pretty much can check it out. Let me know in the description, in the comment section, what's your thoughts on this one here. Very good. And as well, the scheduled option can also see upcoming anime series which you can check out whether on the application or elsewhere. You can also go here in this section and see what's coming, what's scheduled, what's going to release on the application, and also upcoming releases. So the category section, as I said before, you can pretty much go from anime, movie, and so forth. Library pretty much will show you everything that you have saved to watch later, and as well the watch history, and as well the download option. So if I do tap on any one of these anime, you won't be able to easily see the download option, but yeah, that's basically it. So that's pretty much it for the application. You have the profile option. Got to mention, you're going to need to pretty much log in to get the access to the application basically. As well, they do offer a subscription base, so you be able to get a subscription to pretty much watch no ads. I haven't encountered any ads or anything like that. I've got increased quality and basically increased quality and no ads. So if I do tap on the upgrade option, pretty much can see here we'll be able to purchase it and support. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The application does work, and if you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you out. See you in the next one.